Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In last video we have understand what is the use of loop expression and how to return a value from this. Now we are going to understand while loop and how while is a statement and loop is expression, that we are going to understand. It's very simple to use while, it's not so difficult. So we create a new project, we say cargo, I say new, class number 12 and I say while. Then cd class number 12 like this, and I open this file, default file, and here I'm going to use while. So I say let mute I equal to 0, for example. I say while I is less than 10, remember. So I want to use this statement and I display the value of I. So I say here value of I is I like this, and I say I equal to I plus 1. Remember, it's very simple. So it's a while loop. If I is less than 10, it will execute 10 time, 11 time. So I say cargo run, and you will have the output like this 10 time, because it's less than 10, 0 to 9, 10 time it will execute. So if I suppose run it 20 time, less than 20, and I put condition here, I say if I equal to 12, remember, then I want to say continue, but before continue I need to set I equal to I plus 1, because we have to stop it also. We have to increase it so that we can come back. Then I run it again, run cargo, and you will see that we have 13, 11, 13, 14, but we do not have a 12 here. So this continue is working like other language is work as a continue. So if I say if I equal to 12 or I is greater than 12, greater than equal to 12, then I want to use break instead of this. So certain I say here break, remember, and runs once again, and you will see that after the 11 condition is true and it come out from the this. So it's a normal while loop as we use in other languages. Now question is, what is the difference between while is a statement and loop is expression? That is because in loop, if you understand in last application, with the break statement we return a value. Suppose if I return a value from here, I say like this. So I'm returning a value by break statement like this as I do in loop, and I try to compile it, you will have error. You see, we have error. Why? Because this break statement under the while loop cannot return a value, remember. But if I put here loop, then it can return a value. So that's proof that in Rust programming language only expressions return a value, not a statement. So while is like a statement and loop is like an expression. That's why by loop we can return a value by break statement, but in a while we cannot return the value by using break. So we have to remove it. So we can't use break to return a value in while. That proof that while is a statement and loop is an expression. Remember that we have to understand. So while loop we have understand, and we have understand also how while is a statement and loop is expression in Rust programming language. I think I clear each and every concept of while versus loop in Rust programming language. If you like it, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.